Good day, CAW Fitness unicorns. Are you suffering from lower back pain? If the answer is yes, try out some of these stretches to aid for instant relief. Our first exercise we have for you today is some sciatic nerve glides. Start by hugging one thigh as close as you can to your chest, hands clasping around the back of the knee, and make sure that your back leg stays down towards the floor. Start by straightening your leg as much as you can towards the ceiling with a flex foot, then hinging at the knee, point your toes to come down, back to the starting position. The idea with this exercise is that your thigh does not leave your chest, therefore when straightening your leg, only go as far as you feel comfortable. Perform this exercise for around 10 reps on each side. Our second exercise is a passive stretch of the glutes, which can be performed at whatever level is comfortable for you. Here I perform some different variations, but the key point in this stretch is to ensure that when hugging the leg towards you, both butt cheeks stay on the floor and one butt cheek is not lifted. Hold this stretch for at least 30 seconds on both sides. Our next stretch is to target the piriformis, and this can be done either by laying on your back or from sitting on a chair. Making a figure 4 shape with your legs, gently press the same hand as knee into your thigh, breathing through the stretch for around 3 breaths. If this isn't intense enough, bring both hands behind the bottom leg and hug your knees towards you, whilst trying to keep your tailbone down towards the floor. Again, you can hold this for at least 3 breaths, or alternatively, hold it for more of a passive stretch for 30 seconds. As always, perform this stretch on both sides. For our next stretch, you will need some sort of yoga block or cushion to place underneath your butt. Laying on your back, hug one knee towards your chest, placing your hands on top of your shin. Move your leg gently around your joint for a nice tasty hip decompression. Hold this for at least 30 seconds on each side, or as much as you feel comfortable to. Alternative is hugging both knees towards the chest whilst pressing your tailbone down to the floor. With this next stretch, sit as though you are cross-legged and place the yoga block underneath your front ankle. With a straight back, hinge from the hips forwards, pressing your belly button down towards the floor. Go as far as you feel comfortable and repeat on both sides. Remember, keep that spine nice and neutral, no rounding of the back. This next one targets more of the outside of the leg into that IT band area. It does require the use of a resistance band if you have one. Laying on your back, loop the band over your foot and straightening your leg, keep those hips facing the ceiling. Then pull your straight leg across your body, flexing at the knee, push away with your foot into the band and perform around 10 reps on each leg. I've shown both a side and front view of this stretch to ensure that the correct alignment of the straight leg is performed. Our last stretch today is the famous pigeon pose. Placing the front shin towards the floor, extend your opposite leg behind you. Try and keep a right angle with the front leg if you can, and don't let your hips roll out to one side. You can either relax over the front leg for a more hip and glute stretch, or open up your sternum towards the gods for an increased stretch into the lower back. We hope that you found these stretches useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and have a gorgeous day wherever you are.